Testing. Sorry, I missed the tape. I'm just going to run the chapter 2 summary real quick. Alright, summary 2. In this chapter, you will learn with the transmitter, receiver, the fundamentals, cover the modes of operation, special control, with the list of the review of some of the other areas. These areas, the harmonic exact is an exact multiple of fundamental frequency, even harmonic. The 2, 4, and sometimes fundamental with the I, the 3, and 5, but then sometimes fundamental frequency subharmonic exact, some multiple fundamental frequency subharmonics are 1/2, 1/4, and so on. Odd subharmonics are 1/3, 1/5, and so on. Fundamental frequency suppression is profit the limiting and undesired portion of the signal. Multiplexing method of simultaneously transmission to or more signal over a common carrier. Open ordered wire circuit between the operator and the operation control coordination, reception of the electromagnetic wave path of the receiver of the antenna, and due for the voltage of the antenna detection, separation, low frequency audio, intelligent with the high radio rate frequency, care of the production, profit the converting electrical signal, the sound wave, the sound speech and music, and so on. Sensitivity, the receiver, the ability to reproduce weak signal, the greater receiver, the sensitivity weaker with the signal that will be reproduced. Receiver, the selective is the ability to select the desired signal, the rejected unwanted signals. Noise silencer, noise suppressor, noise limiter, or circuit the clip of the peak of the noise spikes, and receive the squelch of the circuit that cuts off the output of the receiver of the web. There is no input of from the balance phase, detector phase, discriminator, circuit of control of the oscillator frequency, audiomatic frequency control, and frequency synthesis signal producing multiple process with the heterodyne frequency selection. Permanent magnet, speaker, the one with the permanent magnet mounted on the soft iron pole pieces, and then you have the fidelity receiver, the ability to actually reproducing output signal and input of the gain, tuning properties for 2 or more circuits with a single control, heterodyne, the mixture income signal, the local oscillator frequency that produce the 2 fundamental sum of the different frequency, the image frequency, the undesired frequency capable of producing desired frequency through heterodyne, automatic vein and volume and gain control circuit. You've limited variation of the output signal strength of the receiver, fading of the variation signal strength of the antenna of the receiver, the automatic gain control of the amplifier is driven toward the cutoff, and forward automatic gain with the amplifier driven toward saturation, beat frequency oscillator, additional oscillator with the U of the receiver with the continuous wave signal, and the provides audible tone. And that was chapter 2 summary. We have to reread 16 page part 2 chapter 2.